know, Boston is a beautiful town. You ever see Boston from the harbor at night? It's gorgeous, isn't it? And I figured it'd be a good day to take the grandkids into the Boston and see the history, take them on the Swan boats, take them up to the top of the John Hancock Tower, take some pictures of our beautiful city, loaded with history. It's a good take, it's a beautiful day. Couldn't ask for a better summer than this one.
Why'd you pick the Swan boat?
For the grandkids, for his grandkids. They're young.
Yeah, somebody's happy.
They love it.